Hello friends, I am Aunty Ife. Today I'm going to teach you a simple way of making fruit salad and smoothie. Fruits are essential for our bodies. They give us the necessary vitamins and minerals. They also contain fiber, which aids our digestion of food. Taking fruits helps to boost our immune system. When we take fruits, it helps us fight sickness and diseases. So we'll start with our fruit salad. I have here on my table chopped apple, some seedless grape that has been cut into halves, watermelon that has been also chopped, and our pineapple. So we'll begin by mixing our fruits. This is our watermelon into our bowl for mixing. A little of each fruit so that you get a very lovely mix. I'm adding our pineapple to it, some chopped apples, and our seedless grapes. This is going to be yummy. And we mix with our spoon. It's a very simple process, and you could try it once you finish watching this video and you enjoy it. So this is our fruit salad. We are done with mixing and we serve into our bowl. The next thing we'll be doing is our smoothie. We're also using watermelon, apple, and pineapple. And this is our smoothie maker. I'll first add our watermelon, already chopped, into our blender. Watermelon is a very good source of vitamin C and it's high in water. I'm adding our apple and our pineapple. Our smoothie is really going to be sweet because pineapple and apple are very sweet fruits. I'll add a little water to the mixture to aid our blending, and then we blend it. You are sure your fruits have been properly blended and mixed, and our smoothie comes out this way. Thank you for joining us today. This is a very good immune booster, vitamin C and other essential minerals and vitamins.